Good afternoon, everyone. We are all excited to announce the key specs of each model and more importantly, the prices. The three MPVs we launched today are truly MVPs of their own respective segments. The GN6, the E8 HEV, the GN8 plug-in hybrid. Let us start with the GN6, an MPV designed for a growing family. Earlier, our CTO mentioned, it's what we call flexible comfort. With flexible comfort, what do we exactly mean? The GN6 features a 7-seater expansive space that allows your family to easily configure seats based on your actual daily use case. Whether you are traveling alone, with your partner, or with your whole family, it gives you the cargo space that you demand. More importantly, please allow me to share the SRP for GN6. The GN6 comes with a SRP of 1,298,000 pesos. I can see some familiar faces. It's like they're telling me, Paro, do something about it, provide more. Well, at GAC, we will provide what you ask for. The GN6 comes with an introductory discount of whopping 100,000 pesos. That brings the cash price to 1,198,000. At this price point, GN6 complete with ADAS Level 2 features like ACC, ICA, MKA, it's unbeatable. Now, moving to our second MPV, the E8 HEV. E8 HEV is what we call luxury comfort. Why? As we have shown earlier, it comes with the 2 captain seats fully equipped with massage function. And earlier, our actors also showcased what we call the T-brake seat at the back. Imagine driving long distance, having that luxurious comfort brought by a zero-gravity seat and fully equipped with massage. Now you arrive at your destination. You pop up the tailgate, you flip over the third row that brings you a comfortable sofa light that allows you to maybe enjoy, watch the sunset, or watch your family have fun. More importantly, E8 HEV comes with an SRP. I forgot to mention, we are offering this model in 2 variants. We have the E8 GL and we have E8 GX. First, let me share the price for E8 GL. Sorry, E8 GX. For E8 GX, it comes with an SRP of 1,858,000 pesos. I know, just like the Avenger movies, we're waiting for the post-credit scene. Of course, we are providing you with an introductory discount of 80,000 pesos. That brings the price of E8 GX at 1,778,000 pesos. That's actually very sorry. Now let's move on to the next variant, the top of the line variant. For GX, it comes with an SRP of 1,998,000 pesos. Yeah, I know again, just like any concert, but there's an end point. This variant comes with an 80,000 introductory discount. That brings the EA price at 1,918,000 pesos. Of course, finally, we have our third MVP MPV, the GNA Plug-in Hybrid. Earlier we said it's the executive comfort. Why? For one, it's connected to our GAC app. It allows you to monitor the vehicle status anytime, anywhere. Secondly, we also provided a rear infotainment. Earlier, we are focused on the ladies, the bosses. But of course, some men also enjoy. You can watch your favorite sports. Speaking of sports, later, there's an announcement about it. The GNA Plug-in Hybrid comes with an introductory price of 3,488,000 pesos. Thank you. So everybody get used to it. They heard the SRP, first they clap, then I said something. Second model, same thing, but fewer claps already. Lucky for me, there's another lady at the back who still clap at the SRP. I know you love discount. Everybody does. Since we love discount, I know you're waiting for it. The GNA Plug-in Hybrid comes with a 150,000 peso discount. That brings the price of 3,338,000 pesos. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the GS6, E8, and GNA Plug-in Hybrid. Again, I know you cannot see it. I just mentioned how much discount each model has. For GN6, remember, we are providing you 100,000 peso discount. For E8, that's 80,000. For GN8, again, that's 150,000 peso discount. Thank you, everyone.